Good morning, everyone. I once again welcome you in my numerical problems based on electrostatic class, and this class will make you understand some of the merit questions. In this question, it suggests that two small spheres, each having mass m kg and charge q coulomb, are suspended from a point by insulating threads, each L meter long but of negligible mass. If theta is the angle each thread makes with the vertical when equilibrium has been attained, so that q square equals 4 mg L square sine square theta into tan theta into 4 pi epsilon naught. So while reading it may sound very complicated, but let's have a freehand diagram to indicate what does the question suggest in fact. Here it says that two small spheres, each having mass m kg, okay? Let this be vertical, and then two masses are suspended. So let one mass be here, and other mass is suspended at this point here. Name it A and B. This is A and this is B. Now if we connect it with our line here like this, then at point A the force is this force is acting here, and here is a charge q coulomb, and over here also charge is q coulomb. Now, due to the total weight of the body, this force is, that is gravitational force, is directed downward, and here it's a thread here, so the tension is acting. Tension acts in the opposite direction to the force of gravity. That means this is tension T. Now, the thread has L meter length. This is L meter. L meter. This is also L here. L meter. Now you have A, B, and this point can be C. Now over here, in the given situation, each spheres A and B are subjected to three phenomena. That is, first part. In the first part, it says there is the weight mg. The weight mg. The three forces acting here. The first is due to the weight mg. The second force acting over here is the tension T on the string. Tension T on the string. And the third force acting over here is the force of repulsion. Force of repulsion, F is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q square by r square, because the forces are, or the charges are identical and equal. In the given setup, what we did, that the 2 points are A and B, the two balls are strung there, and the forces we have resolved. It is subjected to three forces, that is the weight mg, tension T on the string, force F, repulsion F, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q square by r square. Let this be your first equation. Now here, as the forces are in equilibrium, as the forces are in equilibrium, the three forces of a sphere forces of sphere A can be represented by the three sides of triangle AOC taken in the same order. The question says that all three forces are in equilibrium. If three forces are in equilibrium, then you have weight mg, tension T, and force of repulsion. Three are in equilibrium. Therefore, it makes triangle AOC. A, O, and C. This AOC triangle will have these forces arranged in this way. Force upon AC, because force mg is acting towards AC, is equal to mg upon OC. From the similar triangle formula, assumption is similar triangle, and tension T upon AO. Tension, here this is A here, so tension T is acting towards AO, so we have T by AO, mg by OC here, this is acting downward, and these two angles are given theta. And therefore F upon AC is equal to mg by OC is equal to T by AO. Now this means that force is equal to mg into AC upon OC. This is your second assumption. From the above assumption, F by AC is equal to mg by OC. If you take F is equal to AC goes at the top there, so mg into AC by OC. Now we will be solving equation 1 and 2. Now here, since the equation one and 2, your first equation is F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q square by R square. Now substitute the value of F. You get mg into AC upon OC equals 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q square by R square. Okay, so AC is given to you. The AC is L sin theta. Yeah, we can do a bit. The given triangle, sin theta is equal to P by H. So P is OC upon H will be AO. So sin theta equals OC upon L, or OC equals L sin theta. Similarly, AC, the distance AC, the AC will be here OC and AC are equal. Therefore, AC equals L sin theta. Substitute the value here, mg into L sin theta upon OC. OC will be L cos theta. So before I list it, let me write these values so that you understand it better. Here, AC is equal to L sin theta and OC is equal to L cos theta, and AB is equal to twice of AC, hence 2L sin theta. Now substitute these values here, so you get mg into AC is L sin theta upon OC is L cos theta is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q square by R square. Here L and L gets cancelled, so you get mg tan theta is equal to Q square by 4 pi epsilon naught R square. Now we can write them in order now. Therefore Q square is equal to 4 mg L square sin square theta into tan theta 4 pi epsilon naught. This is your desired equation to be proved. Now I recapitulate it quickly. According to the question, you would said that to prove Q square is equal to 4 mg L square sin square theta into tan theta by 4 pi epsilon naught, and you were given an assumption that two charges A and B are suspended and they have Q with them. They are struck with an angle theta. They are hung with the angle theta from the suspension. Now here we said that the three kind of forces come into effect, that is weight of the charge, that is the mg, tension T on the string, and force of repulsion F. We know that force of repulsion F is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q square by R square. At the force in the equilibrium, the three forces of a sphere are represented by the three sides of triangle AOC taken in the same order. That means force upon AC, that is force upon AC here, is equal to mg upon OC. mg upon OC is this one, and tension is acting in the direction AO. So force will be given as mg into AC by OC. Now since the equation 1 and 2, solve it and substitute the value for F, and then in the right angle triangle AOC, solve for sin theta and cos theta and put the value for AC and OC. Here AC is L sin theta, OC is L cos theta, AB is 2AC is equal to 2L sin theta. Hence mg into L sin theta by L cos theta is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q square, Here sin theta by cos theta is tan theta, and the tan theta is q square by 4 pi epsilon naught r square. Solve it. Q square is equal to 4 mgl square in sin square theta into tan theta, bracket closed, and 4 pi epsilon naught. Thank you very much. If you still have some problem, do be in touch with Prashant Kumar Lal 9478624982 or mail me at prashantlal1961@gmail.com. Thank you very much.